विसवा उपरांत परत एकदा तुमकां येवकार। नागवा पंचायतीन दिलेश्वर नायक हाची उपसरपंच पदार बिनविरोध निवड जाल्या। एकूच नॉमिनेशन आशिल्ल्या खातीर नायक हांची बिनविरोध निवड जाली। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Since only one nomination of Sri Dileshwar Naik was received by the presiding officer for the post of Deputy Sarpanch, there was no need for voting and Sri Dileshwar Naik was elected unopposed as Deputy Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Nagwa, Murmungaon.
First and foremost, I thank all my Panchayat members who have elected me unopposed as the Deputy Sarpanch of Nagwa village. I also thank all the villagers of Nagwa, my ward people, and of course not to forget our MLA of Nuve constituency, who all of them wanted me to be Deputy Sarpanch for a long time now. Definitely our village is a gifted village. There is a lot of scope here. Our village has a natural beauty, and the flora and fauna of our village has to be maintained. Definitely there are a lot of things on our agenda, and we as a team, we have been working for last 1 year. I have a Sarpanch, Maria Cabral, who is a senior member and experienced member who was a Sarpanch earlier. So definitely I am going to get guidance from her and our MLA and of course our other colleagues in the Panchayat. There are a lot of things. One important project which was proposed by the last Panchayat body. I should in fact thank the last Panchayat body. There are certain things which they have put into pipeline. We have to take it further and get it completed. At the same time, new projects, whatever in our village we could do, that also we are planning to do. We are working very hard on the garbage issue, because garbage issue has been a issue everywhere in Goa. Of course, our village doesn't have that major issue. We have been collecting it, but we are working on door-to-door collection of garbage and disposal.